guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing a type of card with you guys that I made with different techniques combined together. So there's a bit of mixed media technique, there is some embossing going on, some layering, and you can see a little string here. And well, let me open one of the cards. If you open the card, then there's a cute little bow. So my thinking was, well, to show you these cards, but also how to create it. So a couple of simple steps for you to craft along with. And you don't have to use these mixed media types of backgrounds. Of course, you can also use design paper and leave the rest of the design intact and follow the steps. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that process. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so I hope you liked that idea. Now there are of course lots of possibilities. I did it like this, as you saw. You can also do it without the layering, just do the die cutting on top of a nice background. Let me show you that here. So you can do it with a tag or even with some black paper background. Lots of possibilities, and you can even take a picture of your project, stick that onto a card and send it out, so you have double the use of your idea and your creations. So lots of ideas here, so yeah, follow along with the steps. And okay guys, thank you for watching. Press the like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!